welcome. This is Tyron here with We Auto Detailing, back with another video service in Atlanta and Metro Atlanta area. Today we're going to talk about how to start a mobile detailing business on the interior. So how to start interior detailing business only. This was a topic that came across my search today, and I'm going to go ahead and talk about it. So interior only detailing business, I think it's a very smart idea, and not too many people are offering the interior only detailing service. So I think that you would definitely stand out if you target your audience correctly, and then you can actually put some specification on your business where you can now also stand out that way. So what I mean by that is basically when people are searching mobile car detailing business, they're looking for someone who does like the full service, who can do the full service, or who does, the wash, wax, shampoo, and vacuum. But if you say that you only like a mobile interior car detailing business, everyone that search mobile interior cleaning or mobile shampooing, you're gonna pop up. And to be honest with you, like those are like one of the most popular services, because someone can wash their own car, someone can vacuum their own car, but what they can't do is, a lot of people, they don't know how to shampoo their seats, they don't know how to get smells out, they don't know how to clean the headliners, they don't know how to clean up everything correctly. So that's a skill that stands out, and it's something that you can actually like monetize off of in a big way. So I would say definitely like how to start a mobile interior car detailing business is definitely a great idea. One thing I would say is how would you handle a situation where someone really wants the outside of their car done as well? I would say maybe if you're going to actually target interior only, I would say still maybe have the exterior as an add-on, but market it as an interior only business. So that way you can get your audience, but then you got your exterior as like an add-on or something like that, where you can make some extra money when needed. Because a lot of people, they will want their outside done, and you can definitely take advantage of it. So how would I start a business like that? Basically, for an interior only business, you really wouldn't need a vehicle. You wouldn't need you really wouldn't need a van or a pickup truck, really, if you don't want it. You can get a mid-size SUV. You can even get like a bigger size sedan, or or type of flex vehicle that is like bigger, but it's like a car. What I would do is I would get me a vacuum, a generator, a small generator. You don't really need a big generator or a vacuum, and maybe buy an extractor. So the money that you would use like in the exterior and interior business, like you'll go buy a water tank, you'll go buy like a pressure washer and all that stuff. Instead of buying that, you can just buy you a specialized shampoo machine, and that by doing that, I think it's called a bristle machine, or they got different machines out there, but they is really a little bit expensive, like maybe $1,200-$1,400. Maybe some you can find around like $900. But you can actually get one of those machines, and you can be like, that's like one of the best machines you can buy from mobile detailing. No, it's a Mighty. I'm sorry, Mighty, not Bristle, Mighty. You get one of those machines, and then you can basically get your vacuum, you got your tools, and that's all you need really. So your generator will give power to your shampoo machine. You got your drill brush, you got your vacuum cleaner. You may want to have like some brushes to like clean the interior really good. Shine the interior plastic if you need to. And that's pretty much it, man. If you want to clean the interior windows, if you want that to be included in your interior detail, that's a good idea. But as long as you got those tools, you can make a lot of money by doing interior only. And I think that's something that's going to come in the future from a lot of companies, because I think that like with these automatic car wash machines, they're like actually cleaning the outside of these people's cars pretty quick and fast. And you know, a lot of times, like once they get better at the exterior, like it may be similar to like a mobile detail if they can like tweak it and make it better. So I think that, yeah, definitely that's how I would start it. As far as marketing and everything, I would just, make sure you put interior detailing, interior and only detailing, shampooing. You can get real specified on that and you can really stand out. But other than that, man, my experience with cleaning the interiors of cars, I would say that it's not that difficult. You just have to get better over time, and you will learn what's best for what. So like some cars, you don't have to use a machine. Other cars, you may want to use a drill brush. Other cars, you may be able to get away with spraying a good steam removal or spot removal chemical and applying a little bit of pressure and wiping it off. So you can do a spot cleaning, you can do full interior shampooing, you can do a light steam cleaning. Whatever you need to do, man, you can always try those different things and you can really get it done as far as the interiors of cars. I don't know if I would recommend just doing vacuums and wipe down on the interior. If you do that, it's gonna be it's gonna seem like it's overpriced, but a lot of people will pay for it, because you can't really get a detailer to really detail your car on the interior without doing the exterior at a reasonable price anyway. So either you're gonna do it yourself or you're gonna pay a detailer that can really get your interior looking nice. And so it'll just be an interior only service. So and you can knock those out pretty quick. You can knock those out within 30 minutes or so, and knock out maybe a couple of those a day at maybe $120, $100 or so. And you can really, make a good money off of that, because a lot of people, they want their interior done, but they don't want to pay it, and they just want to throw the exterior in just because. But a lot of people, they may just get the interior done and then just go by the car wash or something to get the outside done to make their car look nice. So I think that is a lot of good ways, a lot of opportunity there if you just want a mobile interior car detailing business. If you all like what you heard right now, go ahead and hit the comment, like, and subscribe button. Let me know what y'all think about that. Would you all open up an interior only car detailing business, or you don't think that it makes sense? Let me know in the comment section. Take care.